Installing a 7mm drive cage. If necessary, reinstall the backplanes. Align the pins on the cage with the holes in the backplane and then slide the lower backplane into the cage until it is fully seated. Fasten the screw to secure the lower backplane. Put the upper backplane down on the rear drive cage. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the upper backplane. Align the drive cage with the slot on the PCIe riser. Push the other end of the drive cage inwards. Fasten the screw to secure the drive cage to the PCIe riser. Fasten the 2 screws on the top of the PCIe riser. Reconnect the power and signal cables to the 7mm drive backplanes. Reinstall the PCIe riser. Install the rear top cover. Install the front top cover. Reinstall the 7mm drives or the drive bay fillers into the drive bays.